Hello everybody, this is Rebecca Rainbow here. I am at the foot of Glastonbury Tor in Somerset, England. It's a very, very auspicious and magical place. You can just see the Tor behind me, and many people climb to the top of it to look at the beautiful views. But it's also a centrepiece of this very, very magical town called Glastonbury. Many call it Avalon. But the main reason for this little video today is that I came here because there was a funeral of a very, very special man called Sunbird. He sadly passed away in an accident, and yes, we've all been really sad because he was really special. But what do we do when somebody dies apart from probably feeling really quite sad? How about we really focus on the magical and inspirational things that they gave to us and made them remember them? Because at Sunbird's funeral there were so many people, the place was packed. Then we went up to Glastonbury Tor and we had a big circle of celebration. We carried an enormous dragon up there and we honoured him. He was also a water wizard, and in this little bottle here is some of the thousands and thousands of little droplets of water that he collected wherever he went all over the world, because water is sacred. We're a watery planet after all. Use this magical water in ceremonies to bring peace, because after all the water is connected, yeah? All the water, all the oceans and the lakes and the seas, even if they don't physically touch each other, when they evaporate, they go up to the clouds, and then the clouds go along and the rain comes down in another place. So everything is connected. And even when we breathe out, if you put your breath against a mirror, there are little droplets of water. And that might be water that's come from the Amazon rainforest, that's come up and travelled along in a little cloud and then come down where you live. So yeah, it's very hard when somebody dies. But we can remember and we can be inspired by them. And there's one thing that Sunbird always did. He always kept trying and he always kept going. He never gave up. He always had so many ideas of how to bring people together. And you can do that with your friends. Just be together in friendship. Make a circle, hold hands, feel the connection. Always give thanks for the magical waters of the world, which makes planet Earth so amazing. So we give thanks for our friend Sunbird, and I think he's flying up there in the blue sky looking down, and all children everywhere to feel that connection, that even when we cry our tears of sadness or tears of joy, it's all connecting to the magical waters of the planet. And I just want to say thank you very much.